What is this? Main pipe repair. Main pipe. What is that? What it is?
Hey, the water's all the way in
Spino Landscaping, tiny little grape. Landscaping. What's the word? What's the word? Valve repair. I'm sorry. Valve repair. Oh, gotta fix this leak out here. Fix this leak out here. Spino Landscaping, tiny little grape. Landscaping. Processing. Processing. Grapes. Content. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, back in the day, you used to ask kids.
Finished product. I never what? Finished product. Spino Landscaping. Tiny little grape. What's good? All done.
I think she just opened the door.
Valve. Replacing a valve. 2 valves. Great.